The scariest part about Komodo dragons is not what you think. Even though they're huge, strong, and have incredibly sharp teeth and claws, that's not the scary part. There's something much more terrifying about them. But more on that later. Hi, it's me, and these are my top 5 favorite facts about Komodo dragons. Number 5. Komodo dragons can sense danger through vibrations. They have special receptors in their heads that pick up even the tiniest vibrations. This allows them to sense danger long before it actually arrives. For example, they can feel the vibrations of an approaching boat before it comes into view. In fact, Komodo dragons can feel vibrations from up to 4 miles away. That's why it's almost impossible to sneak up on them. Number 4. Komodo dragons have a forked tongue. This is not only useful for tasting the air, but also for gathering scent information. The 2 prongs of their tongue are coated with hundreds of taste buds that can detect chemicals as well as flavors. When they flick their tongues out, they basically collect DNA information of whatever or whoever is around. They then use this information to identify potential mates or to figure out if someone is trying to attack them. 3. Komodo dragons don't need to drink water. They get all the hydration they need from their food, and they can go without water for months at a time. This is why Komodo dragons are found on islands where there isn't much fresh water. In fact, they're perfectly adapted to survive in dry, hot climates. Their bodies are designed to absorb water from their food, and they can digest their food very quickly. This means that they don't have to spend much time searching for water, which is a huge advantage for them. Number 2. Komodo dragons can swim very well. They're actually one of the few lizards that can swim underwater. They use their powerful tails to propel themselves through the water, and their webbed feet help them steer. They can swim up to 5 miles per hour, which is pretty fast for a lizard, and they can hold their breath for up to 30 minutes. This allows them to swim underwater and ambush their prey. They often hunt fish and crabs in this way. Now for the scariest part about Komodo dragons. Number 1. Komodo dragons have super strong immune systems. They're resistant to most snake and insect bites, as well as stings from things like jellyfish. They're also resistant to the toxins of many animals, including poisonous frogs and toads. It's thought that their resistance to toxins may be due to their unique metabolism. Komodo dragons have a special ability to detoxify poisons by converting them into harmless compounds. This gives them a huge advantage over other predators because they're not afraid to eat venomous prey. In fact, Komodo dragons will often seek out venomous prey because it's an easy source of food. They've been known to eat venomous snakes, poisonous frogs, and stinging insects without getting sick. This is a truly remarkable adaptation, and it makes Komodo dragons even more dangerous than they already are. Thank you for watching. See you next time.